Wait, there's apps in Canva too? Yes, and these apps will help you to edit your image. So I'm going to go back to the edit and go past effects, and down at the bottom you're going to see apps, and there's one that's going to trace. There's a whole bunch of them in here, and they all do different things. So just take a look at what some of the beautiful things that we can do here. So here is bad TV. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what it's going to do to my image here. So okay, let's take a look at this one up, and you can see that it is giving me a bad TV like from the 70s or early 80s, and I can actually, oh, I love that. I love that. That's so cool. I can actually adjust each of these to make it look even more intense and even worse than the last one. So I do like that one. That one's really fun. Let's see, here's another one here. How about this one? How about the slice? So let's go ahead and open that one up, and I choose which one it's, oh, look at that. You can't even tell there's a shark there. And again, I can change the intensity and kind of move things around a little bit to make it either more or less intense. And then I can go ahead and save that one. All right, let's try one more here. We'll try one more. This is the liquefy. This is really fun as well. We'll go ahead and click open, and let's do this one here. Oh, look at that. It's like we're underwater, but kind of not really underwater, right? I like this one a lot. And of course I can go through each one of these and see what they look like, and then I can manually fix them. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you get more videos about Canva.